all of you. Effins, switch on your video. Aisha, Janal, switch on your video. Okay. So today we are starting our new chapter, chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Very important lesson. In algebra, you are going to study how two algebraic terms are added, subtracted, multiplication, division, and also very important topic, algebraic identities. At last topic is algebraic identity, which is very important and useful to your further studies. Wherever you are studying maths, you need this identities. Okay, so lesson 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Lesson 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Expressions and identities. Algebraic expressions and identities. Okay. In algebra, we are dealing with the constants and variables. Variables, we will usually take X, Y, Z, A, B, C, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, all these. We are considering alphabets as variables, and constant our integers, plus or minus, in all integers we can, integers, rational numbers, all real numbers, we can take it as constants, and variables X, Y, Z. So algebraic expressions are formed by constants and variable. Okay, for example 2xy, 2xy is an algebraic expression in which 2 is a constant, x and y are variables. X is a variable, y another variable. 4x square y, 7 y cube z, all these are algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions consist of constants and variables. Here 2, 4, 7 are constants. Constants. X, y, z are called variables. And this 2 and 3 are the power of given variable. 2 is power of x in 4x square y. 3 is power of y in 7y square z. Okay, so algebraic expressions are formed by constants and variables. Okay, now next we are going to and when we add these expressions, now 2xy, consider an expression 2xy. 2xy is an algebraic expression where 2 is a constant, x and y are variables. Let us firstly we will put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. I'm giving x is a variable. Meaning of variable is what? It can vary. It can take any value. Value of some quantity that will vary. Variable means a quantity that will vary. Okay, so 2xy means x and y are variables. X and y can take different values. The value of x and y can be varying from negative infinity to positive infinity. It can take all real numbers. Okay, and 2 is a constant, which means 2 is constant. Its value does not change. 2 is always 2. Okay, so put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Then 2xy equal to what? 2xy equal to 2 into 1 into 1, it is 2. And if x equal to 0, y equal to 4, then 2xy equal to 2 into 0 into 4, which is 0. If x equal to 1, y equal to negative 2, then 2xy equal to 2 into 1 into negative 2 equal to negative 4. So algebraic expression, this algebraic expression 2xy can have different values for different values of x and y.
Ma'am,
2,
Adilakshmi is in the
0,
waiting room.
I admitted. 2, 0, negative 4. 2xy has a value 2 when x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. And the same 2xy equal to 0 when x equal to 0, y equal to 4. Same 2xy has a value negative 4 when x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. Which means what? Which means as we change the values of x and y, as we change the values of variables, the value of algebraic expression changes. If we change the value of variable, the value of the algebraic expression also changes. So algebraic expressions can have different values as per the value of the variables. That's why those x and y are called variables. Its value can be changed. So as the value of variable changes, the value of the algebraic expression also changes. Okay. So write these two sentences. After that, we will continue. So write algebraic expressions are formed from algebraic expressions are formed from constants and variables. Example, write any examples. 2xy, 4x square y, negative 1x y cube. All these are examples. Or 4xy plus 3. 4xy plus 3. All these are algebraic expressions. X and y are variables. 2 is a constant, the first expression. And in the second expression, 4 and 3 are constants. X and y are again variables. Next one, the value of expression changes. Next point. Changes, value of an algebraic expression changes with the value chosen for the variables it contains. it contains. As the value of variable changes, the value of the expression also changes. For example, 2xy. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 2. Then 2xy equal to 2 into 0 into 2, 0. Put x equal to -1, y equal to 4. Then 2xy equal to 2 into -1 into 4, -8. Put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Find value of 2xy. Put x equal to -4 and y equal to -2. These two values you can find it. When x equal to 2, y equal to 3 and x equal to -4, y equal to -2, find the values. Here it is 0, here -8. Find out other two cases. What is the value of 2xy when x equal to 2 and y equal to 3?
12.
12. 12. Okay. 2xy equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 12. Because x is 2, y is 3. So 12. Friends, what's value of 2xy when x equal to -4 and y equal to -2? Friends, give x equal to -4 and y equal to -2. Then find 2xy. What's the value, friends? Yes. Renan, what's the value when x equal to -4 and y equal to -2?
Positive 16.
Positive 16. 2 into 4 into 2 into -4 into -2. It is 16. See, the same 2xy can have different values as we change the value of the variables x and y. Okay, so that is the sentence says the value of an algebraic expression changes the value chosen for the variables it contains. The values chosen for the variables it contains, the value of the expression 2xy changes. Okay. Now, next is terms. Okay, listen to the board. See terms. Consider 2xy plus 4. It is an algebraic expression. 2xy plus 4 is an algebraic expression in which there are two terms. 2xy is a term and 4 is another term. There are two terms. One is 2xy. 2xy is a term and 4 is another term. If we add two terms, we are getting an algebraic expression. 2xy plus 4. Here two terms are added to get another algebraic expression. Okay, so terms are added to form expressions. So here 2xy is a term and 4 is another term. Okay, now terms are added to form an expression. Terms are added to form an expression. Terms are added to form an expression. How many terms are here in this second example? How many terms are there?
3.
Three terms.
3 terms. Here, 3 terms. Which are they?
4x square
4x square.
4x square, comma,
x
negative xy, another term, and 2y square, third term. When we add these 3 terms, we are getting the algebraic expression 4x square minus 6xy plus 2y square. Okay. And see, each term has some factors. Here, one term is 4x square. It can be written as 4 into x square, or it is equal to 4 into x into x. See, 4x square can be factorized, or the term 4x square is a product of factors. 4x square is a term, and it can be written as 4 into x into x. So, a term can be product of factors like negative 6xy equal to negative 6 into x into y. Again, this negative 6, again we can split. Negative 2 into 3. Okay, so terms can be factorized, or terms are, terms have their own factors. Terms can be product of some factors. Okay, right? 2y square also we will write 2y square equal to 2 into y into y. Y square again we can split into y into y. So, right, terms them can be product of factors. Therefore, this is another point. Terms can be product of terms can be product of factors. All of you wrote up to this. Can I say next point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is about coefficients. Okay. See, 2xy is a term. 2xy is a term, and I have already explained 2 is a constant, x and y are variables. Okay. And in this term, 2 is the coefficient. 2 is the coefficient, or 2 is called the coefficient of xy. 2 is the coefficient of xy. Okay. So, negative 4x square, negative 4 is the coefficient of x square. 7 is z cube, then 7 is the coefficient of z cube. That constant along with, in a term, the constant along with the variable is called coefficient. coefficient. Consider an example 2x square minus 4xy minus 7x plus 6. You please write what is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square in this expansion, coefficient of xy in this expression, and coefficient of x in this expression. Right. What are the coefficients? What is coefficient of x square?
2.
2.
Coefficient of x square is 2. And coefficient of xy?
Negative.
Negative
Negative
4. And coefficient of x?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. Is that clear? What is coefficient?
Yes, ma'am.
Next type of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. First one, expression that contains expressions that contains only one term is called monomial. Underline that term, monomial. Expressions that contain only one term is known as monomial. For example, 5x square, negative xy, 13yz, all these are monomials. Negative xy, 2y square, all these are monomials. Expressions, very important, study. What is monomial? Monomial expression that contains only one term is called monomial. Expression that contains only one term is called monomial. Expressions that contains two terms are called binomial. Example, 4x square plus x, 4xy minus 2, 5z square p plus q, z square minus 5xy. All these are binomials. Expressions that contains two terms are called binomials. Expressions that contains two terms are called binomial. There are some terms and definitions are there in this lesson. So study daily. Okay. Third one. Expressions that contain three terms are called trinomial. Three terms are called trinomial. Trinomial. Example, 2xy minus x square plus 4y, x square minus ax plus b, ax plus b, and 7y cube plus 4x square y plus 7. All these are trinomials. Expressions that contains three terms are called trinomials. Okay, next, an expression containing one or more terms, one or more terms in general, monomial, binomial, trinomial, one term, two term, three terms. Polynomial means, poly means more, that is one or more. An expression containing one or more terms are called polynomials. Terms, there is a condition for that. One or more terms with non-zero coefficient, with non-zero coefficient. If a coefficient is 0, that term won't be there, it will vanish. So coefficients must be non-zero, non-zero coefficient. Also, variables having non-negative exponent, that is powers, here 2, 3, powers must be non-negative, that is positive. Variables having non-negative exponents, powers, are called polynomials. Polynomial means an algebraic expression having one or more terms. So this monomial, binomial, and trinomial also can be called polynomial. Monomial is a polynomial. Binomial is also a polynomial. Trinomial also polynomial. All these are polynomial. Okay, in general, polynomial. In that specifications, if it is one term, monomial, two term, binomial, three terms, trinomial. Right? Example for some polynomials. A plus B plus C plus D. It's a polynomial. 4x square minus 3x plus 2x plus 1. It's another polynomial. All these are polynomials. 2x plus 3y plus 5. All are polynomials. Polynomial with one term is monomial, with two term is binomial, with three terms are trinomial, and in general we will call polynomials. In general we can call polynomials. Clear up to this, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will give you some assignment. You have to state whether the given expressions are polynomial, no, binomial, monomial, and trinomial. Okay. Put an arrow and you write whether it is a binomial, monomial, polynomial, and trinomial. Okay. Right. Right, whether the given expressions are monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial.
I'm completed.
Completed. Okay. Karthik, first one is a Karthik, first one. 2x square minus 4x. Which one? Not clear, Karthik. Karthik. Trinomial. Okay. Trinomial. Aisha, second one. Aisha. Second one is a Elsa.
Ma'am, second one is binomial.
Binomial. Faisan. Third one. Faisan.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one.
Ma'am, third one is trinomial.
Is it trinomial? Third one?
Polynomial.
Polynomial. More than 3. So we can write polynomial. Surja. Fourth one.
Binomial.
Binomial. Binomial. Nihan. Fifth. Nihan. Fifth one is a Nihan. Fifth one is a Anna. Nihan, are you there? Anna. Fifth one. Anna,
One monomial.
monomial. Shahan. Shahan,
Yes, ma'am.
sixth one. Shahan,
Binomial.
is it binomial? Binomial means how many terms? Shahan, binomial means how many terms?
2.
So on sixth one, how many terms? How many terms are there in sixth one?
1.
Sixth one, how many terms? Read the question. Read. Sixth one.
Negative x square plus 2x plus 3.
So how many terms are there?
3.
3. So if it is 3, it is called
Trinomials.
trinomial. Trinomial. Nihan, seventh one. Nihan,
Polynomial.
polynomial. Seventh is a polynomial. Seventh is a polynomial. Okay. Now, all of you take page 138. Page 138. There you can see try this box. After monomials, binomials, polynomials, you can see try this box. Did you see that box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And second question. Second question, construct. Construct. 4 questions are there. You have to do before my next period. Answers we will discuss in the next period. Okay. Construct. First question, construct 3 binomials with only x as variable. So that must be binomial means 2 terms, but only variable is x. Next, 3 binomial with both x and y as variables. So it contains both x and y. Next, again, 3 monomial with x and y variable. Only 1 term, but contains both x and y. And 2 polynomials with 4 or more terms. So, be ready with your answers during the next period. When it is, next period is at 3 o'clock. Okay? Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do that all of you, and we will discuss we will discuss the answers during next period. And Shahan and Adilakshmi, you change your DPs. Okay, for the next class, it won't be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.